Okay.
Hi Yogita, so sorry, I'm bad with
Hi.
this.
It's okay, no problem. So finally we are connected.
Finally, we are connected.
Yes. So actually I was having a live already. So now people will come here. Hi
I'm so
Radhya.
sorry.
Hi Faizal. Hi everyone. So ये एक बार थोड़ा सा लोग ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, then we can talk about the book also.
Okay, okay.
Hi Shalini. Hi Prashant. क्या हाल चाल Shalini after so long. So this live is friends, this live is basically between two authors. आज योगिता यहाँ पे नहीं है, लवली यहाँ नहीं है, यहाँ पे है दो ऑथर और जिनकी बच्चों से रिलेटेड बुक है. यस, सो दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर हेयर. एंड अगर किसी को भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन है लाइक बुक पब्लिशिंग से लेके इस एक्सपीरियंस से लेके, दे कैन एक्चुअली पुट योर क्वेश्चंस, यू कैन पुट योर क्वेश्चंस हेयर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. And now, first of all, I would like to know about you, Lovely. Like, this is the second time I think we are interacting here. So I really want to know. Shalini, I'm so good. Thank you so much. So please, Lovely,
Okay.
tell something about you.
So basically, I come from a very small town from Jharkhand, and I got married here. और यहाँ पर शादी के बाद I started my career as a school teacher. So
यहाँ in
education से,
Bangalore.
sorry,
यहाँ as in Bangalore.
I'm Ahmedabad. I'm in Ahmedabad.
Okay,
So
okay.
I started my career as a school teacher, and from there I shifted to make my trip, and then into a full-time corporate job. So actually, I incorporated a company, and then I ended up becoming the CEO of the company. And once मुझे लगा कि ठीक है कॉर्पोरेट तो बहुत अच्छा है, एक पर्पस लाइफ में ढूंढ रही थी कि जहाँ ऐसा लगे कि कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए जहाँ आपको लगे कि यू आर मेकिंग अ डिफरेंस. एंड बिकॉज मैं खुद एक मदर हूँ और मुझे कुछ चैलेंजेस फेस हो रहे थे. जब हम अपने बच्चों के साथ डील करते हैं तो हमें एक्चुअली गैप का रियलाइजेशन होता है कि क्या सही नहीं हो रहा है या फिर कहाँ पे गैप है. और उसकी वजह से मैंने आई एम मिराकल करके एक कंपनी चालू की जिसमें पेरेंट्स और बच्चों के लिए आई क्रिएट कंटेंट जहाँ पे वो थोड़े अवेयर होकर जिंदगी जी सके. और दैट्स हाउ आई क्रिएटेड दिस बुक, आई एम नॉट अ बुक.
What a beautiful title you have, huh? I'm not a book, but I'm a book.
थैंक थैंक यू सो मच योगिता, थैंक यू सो मच. So Yogita, it's also interesting to know how did you get into this being a mother? What was your journey? Tell me something about
I,
that.
I will say it's all about a trip. So we went to a random trip, and my husband and my daughter were sleeping, and I randomly got an idea. I think I want to be an author now. Yeah, the song in this book, it's time to say thank you. It was actually a 4 5 line song, but I used to sing this, and I feel this is a need of every parent because हर parent को यही लगता है कि they are doing everything for the child, but still kids feel कि उनको enough नहीं मिल रहा है. They're not getting enough. They want more and more.
Hmm.
So that random idea के लिए मैंने एक song बनाया अपनी बेटी को सुनाने के लिए as a night time song, and then later on it converted into a book that we have right here. So yeah, I mean it's out of. I mean I try to do very random, very different things. I mean I try to do. It's kind of my you can say style or something like that. So वहीं से कुछ बुक का आइडिया आया एंड मेरे हस्बैंड ने मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया. We got the designer also like this and everything happened.
Okay. So Yogita, tell me one thing. Why do you feel that something like gratitude or Thanksgiving is missing in today's parenting also, I must say, or whether it is in school or through at home? Why Thanksgiving is missing out?
I mean in school I would say it's not missing because I have seen a lot of जो केजी schools वगैरह रहते हैं उनके अंदर ना पेरेंट्स जो बच्चों को टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं they have these songs like this. Thank you for the food. They have
Yes.
something like that. They have their prayers or affirmations because they. I mean, I've seen in the schools also. तो first इस schools में तो नहीं है. And I think so जो aware है parents. Even though we were aware, but maybe we were not doing it very regularly because we are already messed up in a lot of things. You know, we
Right.
have so many things and we're not even counting it. कि like we still have so many things to be blessed for.
True that. True that.
That's how the idea came.
That's nice.
So, like, how you designed the book and all, how it happened with you?
Actually, I got time to design this book during the lockdown period
Ah,
because
that's a
my
golden
business was
period for a lot of people.
true that. So I was into international business, and the whole of logistic industry was like shut down. And that's when I thought कि चलो कंपनी में तो जो चलेगा चलेगा, बट कुछ क्रिएटिविटी सूझ रही थी, एंड क्योंकि मैं खुद एक बहुत बड़े ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से गुजर रही थी. Like I went through a severe case of autoimmune disorder, depression, stress, and then जब मैं अपनी खुद की लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करी थी तो मुझे रियलाइजेशन हुई कि कुछ ऐसा कंटेंट बनाने की जरूरत है जहां बच्चों को बचपन से हम छोटी छोटी चीजों की सीड्स डाल सके. अबाउट बीइंग अवेयर, अबाउट नोइंग अबाउट देयर इमोशंस. अपने बारे में जानना बहुत जरूरी है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि शायद आज के जमाने में लोग अपने बारे में बहुत कम जानते हैं. हम आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड को बहुत डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं. लाइक इवन
Stories.
सोशल मीडिया पे. हाँ.
Stories.
सो वहां जाकर मैंने ये बुक डिजाइन की, तो मुझे 1 सवा साल लगा इस बुक को पूरा कॉन्सेप्चुलाइज करने में, फिर डिजाइन करने में. और बच्चों की बुक में कैसा ना कि आप कितना भी कंटेंट डालो वो इंटरेस्टिंग होना चाहिए, इलस्ट्रेशंस अच्छे होने चाहिए. तो दैट्स हाउ आई. सो मैं ऑफिस के साथ साथ ये कर रही थी, बट द मोमेंट मेरी बुक तैयार हो गई देन आई लेफ्ट माई जॉब.
Oh. But I think it's such a beautiful feeling. Now we are author. So when just before this combined live, when I was doing the single live, I was actually very, very happy because can you believe that I'm an author now?
Yeah, actually that tag is very beautiful.
Yeah. So, I mean, what were the struggles during that time? I mean, was it your health because of that you explored, or is there was something else also that you faced during that time?
Actually, I'll tell you, I was I took my job and my life and career a bit too. Sometimes you cross the line. Sometimes
Good.
you
Serious?
don't understand. Sorry.
You were being too serious, maybe. That's why you
I
said cross the line.
actually sometimes you become very serious about everything. आप करियर को एक्सेसिवली सीरियसली लेते हो, रिलेशनशिप को सीरियसली लेते हो. और आई थिंक इंडिया में द वुमेन दे आर ट्रेन्ड टू बी सीरियस अबाउट एवरीथिंग. सीरियस अबाउट देयर मैरिज, सीरियस अबाउट देयर हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स, सीरियस अबाउट देयर चिल्ड्रन. वो किसी चीज को लाइटली ले ही नहीं सकते. सो मुझे लगता है कि वी हैव दिस थिंग इन आवर सेल्स कि हम लाइटली ले नहीं सकते. हम सिर्फ एक ही चीज को लाइटली लेते हैं, वो है अपने आप को. दैट इज वन थिंग विच हैपेंस टू द वुमेन, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट हिट मी. I was so much
Okay.
trying to be good in every area. Like, आपको अच्छी वाइफ बनना है, अच्छी मदर बनना है, अच्छी होम मेकर बनना है, अच्छी बहू बनना है. हम इतना स्ट्रेस लेते हैं ना उस चीज का अच्छा बनने के चक्कर में. इट टेक्स द हेड. एंड इंडिया में अगर आप स्टेटिस्टिक्स देखोगे तो स्पेशली इफ यू सी वुमेन, they are going through a known unknown kind of a depression in their domestic life. They are so much spread all over the house, taking care of so much things that एक तो थैंकलेस जॉब है ये. कोई थैंक यू नहीं बोलता है आपको. जब आप ऑफिस में काम करते हो साल के एंड में एटलीस्ट आपको एक एम्प्लॉय वाला बैच तो मिल जाता है. आप घर पे इतना कुछ करते हो, यू आर इट्स लाइक अ थैंकलेस जॉब.
No one
सो
say
आई थिंक
5 is having 25 years of experience, but 5 months of experience in a job is a 5 months of experience.
एग्जैक्टली. सो ये सारी चीजें आई टेल यू ना, आई हैव बीन थ्रू दिस वेरी kind of a transformation phase since 2-3 years, almost like 3 years. And after I had my girl child, like in 2020, I had my baby, a girl, Raisha. After that, I thought that life को थोड़ा easy लेने की जरूरत है, कुछ create करने की जरूरत है, कुछ meaningful करने की जरूरत है. So after that, when I got inspired for these kind of journals and books.
So, like the family support and all, how you get it? Like, was it very easy, very convenient, or you had to struggle still a little for that?
I think family is quite okay with anything I want to do. I want to do a job. I don't want to do a job. I want to be a full-time homemaker, or I want to be a full-time corporate. पूरे corporate में घुसे हुए. It's like I don't have a choice. I have a choice. But the thing is that I myself took a little break from the corporate life because I felt that my children need me. बच्चों को एक माँ की जरूरत ज्यादा होती है बिकॉज उनको कोई चाहिए जो उनसे सारा दिन बात करे, उनके स्कूल के बारे में आपको छोटी छोटी बातें बताए. So that happened, but family was very, very supportive. My mother-in-law and father-in-law, they were very happy that I was doing something like this. So that was all great. That was all great.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I mean, being making a book, especially a children's book, that you need to be, very catchy, and you can't do a mistake there, right? And coming up with such a great product. I think you launched your book in May month, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, around April end May, I launched my book on Amazon. And
Yeah.
before that, I actually did a kind of a survey kind of a thing. So I gave this book to around 50 people who had children of this age group, just to take an idea that whether my thought process is actually working or not. So I gave it to the parents and I told the children to just go through it and if they like something about it. So I got some great responses that the children were very, excited that somebody is asking them questions like, what is the meaning of your name? Do you like your name? If you got a chance to change your name, what would you name yourself? Because sometimes children get this kind, they are bullied in the school through their names. Children make fun of their names sometimes, even their surnames.
It's been for, I think, years and years and decades, I would say. It's not just a new thing, maybe, yeah.
So something like that, when they can think that, okay, what is the meaning of my name? How do I relate myself with the name? Or if I had to do a signature, how do I do my signature? So things like that. So these are the things which are there in the book. You tell me, how has been your journey since you became an author? What is the response of people around you? How have things changed? What is the thing your family has told about it?
I mean, I think it's a beautiful product. I personally, like when I was making it now, I was sure this is going to help a lot of people.
Right.
And I think let's just talk about this also, that being an author is not a profitable job. It's something that you do out of interest and maybe for the society and just to help someone in a, in a way. Right. True. And when I took this initiative, I think everyone loved it and everyone loved the book. My daughter, this book is very special for me because this has so many things, those connect me with this very personally. I will call this a true Indian book because this has dosa in it. I never miss to say this line because dosa एक ऐसी चीज है जो मेरी बेटी खा लेती है somehow. So we have this activity like mark your favorite food, circle your favorite food. So dosa is there, and I really feel proud of that thing because when Sai was designing it, I especially asked him to put dosa there because it's her favorite food. It has to be there, right? So yeah, overall it comes very nice. Designs are very nice. I tried to curate the activity, especially by doing a lot of research. So in this book, there's one activity ki when I'm sad, what I can do. Like when I'm feeling sad, what I can do. So I specially curated that because normally जब बच्चे sad होते हैं, they throw tantrums, they cry, they shout, they just do very random things. So there is a one small activity, maybe if not a huge number, but even if 100 of children saw that activity and might do those things, that will actually make this book a worth piece.
True.
So that's the thing. Overall, I think let me tell you one very cute review. I mean I sent this book to few of my friends who are mom influencers and all, and the most beautiful review that I found was, I think there were 2 or 3, and the one was ki the elder son is singing the song for the younger one. So that's such a beautiful thing. And you know what, one thing that I really want to say here, books na बच्चे खुद नहीं पढ़ते हैं generally.
True.
Parents has to encourage them, they have to give some kind of excitement to them ki हाँ चलो ये पढ़ते हैं, or maybe धीरे धीरे eventually they might read it, but at least in the starting parents have to do some invisible efforts so that बच्चे वो book पढ़े. So yeah, this has a song. अगर parents ये song को अपने बच्चों तक convey कर पाते हैं, I think that's the biggest thing for me.
True. And this is also like you're creating some kind of a time, good quality time between the child and the parent also through this book.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of parents do storytelling. So my daughter, Dhruvika, so she उसका रात को सोने के लिए दो चीजें चाहिए, लेग मसाज, पापा करते हैं लेग मसाज और मम्मा सुनाती है टॉल बाबा. So just like this song, टॉल बाबा or it's time to say thank you. There is one more song that I wrote for my daughter. It's a personal song. Basically, it's a lori for her, जिसके अंदर उसके पूरी फैमिली का नाम आता है.
Wow.
ओके सो उसकी पूरी फैमिली में जैसे उसके बाबा का नाम आएगा, दादी का आएगा, उसके कजन्स का आएगा, उसकी बुआ का आएगा, राइट. सो शी इज सो एडिक्टेड टू दैट. सो एवरी टाइम शी वांट टू स्लीप, मम्मा टॉल बाबा सुना दो. मतलब उसको लला लला लोरी, मतलब मैं वो टाइप का नहीं कर पाई कि मैं उसको लला लला लोरी सुनाऊंगी, दो इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल यू नो स्लीपिंग लोरी फॉर बच्चास, बट ध्रुविका के लिए वो इतना वर्कआउट नहीं किया. सो उसको वो टॉल बाबा सुनती है और अब वो सुनते हैं इट्स टाइम टू से थैंक यू sometimes. So that's how it goes. I think it's a beautiful experience overall.
But you're very creative, Yogita, I must say that.
Yeah, I can take this with proud. Because there's another song that I wrote for her when she was, I think, 1 month or something. So it's a Dhruvika song. It's a song for her only.
So sweet. That's so sweet. I think I was reading. I'm just currently reading this book by Daji, which is Mr. Kamlesh Patel. He is into meditation and lifestyle change for people. So he has written a beautiful book about Wisdom Bridge, like how parenting should be there. And he said that this beautiful thing that the parents nowadays have changed their attitude from caring to preparing. Like children should be more like, with their parents, they should be more like that caring environment, that love and care environment. But somehow the parents, because of too much of undue pressure of being the performer, they have changed their attitude of caring to preparing more. On a general level, I'm not saying about every parent, but on a general level, including all of us, we have this attitude, the little bit of कि कहीं मेरे बच्चे पीछे ना रह जाए. वो ये कर रहा है.
We all parent have, I think. I think at that
Yes.
invisible thread we all are somehow dealing with it.
Yes. So I was
Yeah.
just reading that and I was like, ये हम भी करते हैं. अगर आज हम अपने बच्चों को स्कूल के अलावा कोई एक्टिविटीज नहीं कराएंगे तो हमें लगेगा वो देखो वो बास्केटबॉल सीख रहा है, वो फुटबॉल कर रही है, वो ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है. तो आई थिंक हम थोड़ा बहुत ये दैट फीलिंग ऑफ लेफ्ट आउट वाली फीलिंग ना रह जाए तो हम बहुत करते हैं. So because I'm in this field where I try to read more and more about parenting styles and child psychology, I'm also a member of a Canadian firm who only deals with child psychology, and they help people understand more and about dealing with children, not just special children, but every child. So when I go through all this, I always understand one thing that I think हमारी generation के बाद ये जो पूरी generation आ रही है ना, यहाँ पे पेरेंट्स आई थिंक बहुत अवेयर होके पेरेंटिंग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हालांकि कुछ अवेयर है, कुछ को पता है क्या करना है, कुछ को नहीं पता है क्या करना है.
और कुछ को पता है but they are not doing. I mean, it happens because they are very busy lifestyle, maybe I would say.
Yeah. So actually, I'll tell you, like you are an author, you have created a very beautiful topic you touched. Thanksgiving. Like एक हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि बच्चों को सोने के कौड़ खिलाओ लेकिन उसकी वैल्यू गिनाओ. So वही बात है कि they are getting everything very nice, their room, colored walls, a nice, that Barbie theme and everything. But I think they also need to value that how special they are treated. I think वो एक missing है.
The only motive behind this book was the same because I mean, see, if I see my bachpan, there were no sand parks, there were no private room, there were no a room full of toys or maybe so many chocolates in the fridge, right?
Yeah.
But they have. But इनको ये तो दिखता ही नहीं है. मतलब it's like invisible for them. They don't see it, right?
Because it is always available.
Yeah, they still want to get something new.
Yeah.
Every time they are entering a store, they want to come back with something, one or two things or something. My daughter can even find something in medical store also for her. So, so that's a kind of, I mean, it's something I think we are loving, but I think we are kind of spoiling them also at the same time, because or maybe I think this is more into the families, like where nuclear families are there, where grandparents are not there, or maybe बिकॉज लॉन्ग बड़ी फैमिलीज होती है ना, तो बच्चे थोड़ा इंगेज रहते हैं आपस में, थोड़ा सा फैमिलीज के साथ इंगेज
True.
रहते हैं.
Very
बट
true.
व्हेन यू आर हैविंग दिस न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, वी एक्चुअली गिव ईच एंड एवरीथिंग टू दैट वन बच्चा, और स्पेशली व्हेन इट इज योर फर्स्ट चाइल्ड. So
Very true. Actually, this is true. Children are also facing this kind of, this feeling of boredom. This is a new topic in the children. They have boredom. मैं
you just
बोर हो रहा हूँ.
तुमने मेरी दुखती नब्ज पे हाथ रख दिया. क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ? मेरी बेटी टीवी देखते देखते बोलेगी मामा मैं बोर हो रही हूँ.
Actually.
पेंटिंग करते करते बोलेगी मामा मैं बोर हो रही हूँ. यार मैं क्या करूँ? मैं मेरी भी एक लाइन है, वो बोलती है मैं बोर हो रही हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ हाँ भाई मैं नाच के दिखा रही हूँ. लिटरली दिस इज एवरीडे सीन, और वो हर 5 मिनट में 3 बार बोर हो जाती है.
But I'll tell you, जैसे I am also from a Marwari background, okay? I'm born and brought up in Jharkhand. So मारवाड़ी फैमिलीज अभी भी बहुत हद तक आप देखोगे जॉइंट फैमिलीज में होती हैं. 3-3 4-4 भाइयों के परिवार एक साथ होते हैं. जब हमारी फैमिलीज में क्या होता था, हमारे पास स्पेस नहीं था. जैसे हम आज कहते हैं ना हमें थोड़ा स्पेस दो, पहले की फैमिलीज में स्पेस नहीं होता था. तुमको खाना खाना है, सोना है, कुछ भी करना है, तुम्हारे आसपास 4-5 लोग रहते ही रहते थे. आई थिंक उसकी वजह से क्या होता था कि एज हम जब छोटे थे तो हमारे सामने कॉन्स्टेंटली बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही होती थी. डिसिप्लिन होता था, बड़े होते थे, 3-4 जनरेशन के साथ हम रहते थे. लाइक हमसे छोटे भी होते थे, हमसे बड़े भी होते थे और बुजुर्ग भी होते थे. तो दे हैड ऑल दीज फ्लेवर्स टू गो थ्रू. और प्लस पहले कम्युनिटी में अगर आप देखोगे तो नेबर्स भी आपका सेकंड होम होता था. लाइक आप किसी के भी घर जाके बैठ सकते हो, रह
We
सकते
used
हो.
to watch a lot of TV serials in our neighbor's home only. I mean, like as a child, yes.
आज के बच्चे में क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट आई आल्सो सी इज दैट हम थोड़े ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव भी हो गए. लाइक आई डोंट वांट कि माय चाइल्ड इज लाइक आउट, वो फ्लैट से कहीं बाहर घूम रहा है और हम ऐसे बैठे हैं, वो तो होता ही नहीं हमसे. अगर वो गार्डन में भी है तो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर वो हमारे आंख के सामने है.
Yes. And
तो ये
maybe sometimes I think it's kind of the being protective is something, I think so. It's the need of the time also, I feel, because it's off topic, but somehow there are a lot of things happening. And anyways, we want kids to be safe.
True. So I think ये एक बोर्डम एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है.
बच्चे अगर बाहर हैं तो एटलीस्ट समवन इज मॉनिटरिंग देम एंड दे कैन कम एंड से अभी लाइक इफ यू आर नॉट मॉनिटरिंग, नो वन इज गोइंग टू मॉनिटर योर चाइल्ड.
एक्चुअली यही होता है ना कि पहले जब जैसे हमारी मम्मी लोग थी बताते थे, हम तो किचन में काम करते रहते थे, तुम लोग तो बैठे रहते थे दादा दादी के पास, हमें थोड़े पता होता तुम लोग कहाँ होते थे. सो मॉम लोगों के जो एक बात अगर आप देखोगे तो यू सी दैट दे वर नॉट ऑलवेज अराउंड अस, दे वर नॉट ऑलवेज अराउंड देयर चिल्ड्रन, दे हैड अ सीरीज ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. एंड चिल्ड्रन सारे के सारे बच्चे, मोहल्ले के बच्चे एक जगह पर होते थे, वो शाम को खेल रहे होते थे, सुबह खेल रहे होते थे. सो एक ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का जो सर्कल था ना, जो पहले के बच्चों को मिलता था, वो अभी के बच्चे मिस कर रहे हैं. एंड द होल प्रेशर ऑफ रेजिंग द चिल्ड्रन इज ऑन द पेरेंट्स ओनली. So now you have a social life, you have a parent life, you have a business life, and then your own personal life. And this is the biggest reason why parenting is becoming such a big issue.
And we can't miss the house chores.
We cannot miss. So this is the biggest thing I feel. और like अभी भी बहुत से मैं couples को जानती हूँ जहाँ पे husband wife दोनों job पे जा रहे हैं, and the children are staying at home alone or with the maid or at the play area, play group, because they cannot either do not have a choice of not going office, or sometimes moms को लगता है कि यार मतलब एक ऐसा statement आता है कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मेरी शादी हो गई और मेरे बच्चे हो गए तो मेरी लाइफ बंद हो गई है. So I think this is also a statement that if you get married and if you have children, that doesn't mean you'll give up on your career. So there are a lot of factors why the parenting system has changed. There is a different mechanism, and I just मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप कितने भी बिजी हो जाओ, कुछ भी करो, the initial 5 years they need you and you have to give them.
Yeah.
And this is what I believe. Initial 5 years, just be there. It is annoying. कहते हैं ना कि एक to raise a child you need a village. It is true. It is very annoying. It is like frustrating. आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन हो जाती है. जो आपने कहा ना, जब बच्चे बोर होते तो सच में यही पूछने का मन करता है कि अब मैं नाच के दिखाऊं.
Literally. मेरा
So
रोज का
ये
यही है. Deepika, she is every day like मम्मा मम्मा मैं बोर हो रही हूँ. यार कोई इतना बोर कैसे हो सकता है? I never thought मैं अपनी लाइफ में इतना बोर हुई होंगी जितना वो 1 घंटे में हो जाती है.
ये एक्चुअली ट्रू है. इवन माय सन, ही इज व्हाट 11 12 राइट नाउ. वो ऐसे टीवी बोलेगा मम्मी मैं क्या करूं, तो मैं कहूंगी ना जाओ टीवी देख लो. नहीं अभी टीवी नहीं देखना, बहुत बोर हो रहा हूँ. तो ये बोर क्या होता है, इसका कोई डेफिनेशन तो बताओ. आपको टीवी नहीं देखना, आपको साइकिलिंग नहीं करनी, आपको बाहर नहीं जाना, आपको बुक नहीं पढ़ना, हर वो चीज जिसके लिए कभी वो हमसे झगड़ा करते हैं वो सब कुछ नहीं करना. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. सो लाइक वो मोमेंट ऐसा होता है कि आपके पास कोई जवाब ही नहीं होता है.
I try to ask my daughter sometimes, it's okay to be bored. It's okay. Just, have patience. It's okay to be bored.
एक्चुअली ट्रू. एक्चुअली ये स्टडीज में भी लिखा गया है, साइंटिस्ट रिसर्च पेपर्स में लिख रहे हैं, जब आपके बच्चे बोर हो रहे हो तो प्लीज उनको बोर होने दो. बिकॉज एक्चुअली वो बोर्डम नहीं है. समटाइम्स जस्ट सिटिंग क्वाइट एंड जस्ट बीइंग विथ योरसेल्फ इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट.
It's always, actually with adults, it's always, but kids, I think, don't know that they are not ready for this philosophy.
I know. Yeah. Yeah. True. But then, like, we as mothers have to constantly throw the seeds, thoda thoda, ek din mein, 2 din mein. But then again, coming back to like the kind of authors we have become. So like you discussed so beautifully, you've taken this thought of Thanksgiving. So if I just share that in my book, I have, there are certain areas where the child has to write, what is it one thing you don't like listening about yourself? कई बार क्या होता है कि पेरेंट्स में भी क्योंकि आज सब में एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेवल है, और द मोमेंट आपके बच्चे 8 9 10 एज ग्रुप क्रॉस करने लग जाते हैं, वो समझने लगते हैं चीजों को. उनके अंदर भी फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस थोड़े हाई पीक पे रहते हैं. सो देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन हम थोड़ा ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेट होके चिल्लाते हैं या फिर उनको ओवर द ड्रामेटिक रिस्पॉन्स दे देते हैं फॉर दिस वेरी स्मॉल थिंग. सो देयर इज अ सेक्शन इन द बुक जहाँ पे ये बच्चा लिख सकता है कि what are the things he has heard or she has heard तो उसे लगा कि सही नहीं था, या वो ऐसी चीजें जो मेरे बारे में बोली जाती है उससे मैं तुरंत सैड हो जाता हूँ, ऐसी चीजें जो मैं सुनता हूँ तो मैं बहुत हैप्पी हो जाता हूँ.
I'm very curious about this book, I must
Yeah.
say.
Thank you so much. And then we have a page where the child is in the center of the page, and he has to write what are the things that child finds common with his family. Like what is common you see with your father? Suppose like both of us like cycling. Or what is it common you see in your grandfather or your uncle, your aunt, your siblings? So ये एक्सरसाइज सिर्फ इसलिए कि उनको भी समझना चाहिए कि उनके आसपास जो सबसे क्लोज सर्कल के लोग हैं वो उनके साथ रिलेट कैसे करता है. So there is a page where they write about their common things, and there is a page we write that we are just opposites. लैंग्वेज बहुत सिंपल रखी गई है, बट थॉट इसलिए इन्वोक करना था कि बच्चे सोच सके कि व्हाट इज सो डिफरेंट बिटवीन मी एंड माय मॉम. ओ शी हेट्स पिज्जा, आई लव पिज्जा. बहुत सिंपल थॉट हो सकता है, बट इट इज मोर अबाउट जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग योर ओन सेल्फ.
Yes, exactly.
या. So tell me, any other question we need to discuss? Anybody has a question?
A lot of people came, a lot of people went.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi dear, how are you? So we were actually discussing about 2 books. The first book is I'm Not a Book by Lovely, and the another book that is It's Time to Say Thank You is there with me. So yes, I think this is such a beautiful life, and talking about children's and having the same thoughts about it is such a satisfying thing. I mean, I don't feel like a very special mom or a very weird mom.
Okay. No, but I'm so happy, Yogita, that I connected with you. Uh, I'm sorry I have to change place because my dog was troubling me over there.
Okay, no, 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 but we couldn't hear anything.
So I'm just saying that I'm so happy, Yogita, that I connected with you. We have
Same,
something in
literally,
common.
I loved it, and I'm very excited about that book also. I want to review that, like personally.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you, Yogita. That's very kind of you. And I'm
Now,
so
when I'm
happy that,
actually,
tell me.
what is parenting? How can you define it? So you share your thoughts about this.
About parenting.
Yeah.
Okay, so I read a book by Donald Neil Walsh. It's Conversations with God. It's a very, very high spiritual book, but I'll tell you, it will open your eyes. So in that, it's very clearly written that children don't come in our lives that we can become their, owners. We don't own our children. Children can also come in our life because there is something they also come to teach us: patience, love, selfless love, discipline, timing. And at the same time, we as the parents, our only time, major responsibility is to be the banks of the river. When you channelize a river, it flows in a good direction. If you don't become their banks, they just spread everywhere. So in that book, it is written that you are there to just be the support system. The moment your child is 15, 16, they cross the teenager life, they automatically will start, going away from you, because that's how the human body is designed. So in the parenting is all about initial 5 years जम के प्यार करो, उसके बाद उनको डिसिप्लिन करो, एंड देन वो कहते हैं ना, उनके दोस्त बन जाओ. बट एक
Okay.
चीज जो मैं सारे पेरेंट्स को कहना चाहती हूँ, प्लीज डोंट ट्राई टू ओन योर चिल्ड्रन.
You know, I follow Sadhguru, and in one of his conversation, he was also telling this thing to the Kalites, I think. Kalites, there was a video with Kalites and Sadhguru, and he mentioned this thing: you don't own your children, you are just raising them.
Yes,
Yes.
true. Very nice. Thank you for somebody asking this question so that even others can, just go through this beautiful conversation.
Yeah, we don't own them, we're just raising them.
In fact, because I take parenting workshops, so somebody asked me that, मेरा बेटा बहुत जिद्दी है, उसको कुछ भी बोलो तो वो उसको अपोज करता है कि क्यों करो ये, तो वो सुनता नहीं है. तो देयर इज अ थिंग दैट आप, जस्ट बिकॉज कि आप पेरेंट हो और आपके बच्चे को आपकी बात सुननी चाहिए, ये इक्वेशन गलत है. आपका बच्चा भी एक इंसान है, उसका दिमाग चलता है. सो व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन आर क्वेश्चनिंग यू, आपका रिस्पॉन्स होना चाहिए टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ ही हैज टू मेक अ चॉइस कि ये करना चाहिए कि क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए. लेकिन जब हम उनको सिर्फ ये कहते हैं ना कि मैंने बोला है ना, चुपचाप कर दो, तो ये एटीट्यूड उनके अंदर रिबेलियन की तरह जाता है कि वो ना धीरे धीरे वो डेवलप होता है कि बस पापा ने बोला है ना, पापा तो सुनते ही नहीं है, एटीट्यूड वाला. सो द थिंग इज दैट उसमें एक बहुत अच्छी एटीट्यूड वो बताया गया है कि आपके बच्चे स्ट्रॉन्ग बिल्ड है, इसलिए वो सवाल कर रहे हैं. अगर आप बचपन से उनके इस एटीट्यूड को तोड़ोगे ना, तो बड़े होने के बाद वो लिटरली वो स्लेव मेंटालिटी हो जाएगी उनकी, कि जब वो जॉब करने जाएंगे तो चार लोग उनसे कुछ भी पूछेंगे तो वो सवाल नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो बचपन से ही उनका ये एटीट्यूड बिल्ड करो दैट यू कैन क्वेश्चन इन रिस्पेक्ट, एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज आंसर देम दैट ये इसलिए करना चाहिए या तुम्हारी चॉइस क्यों ये होनी चाहिए. बट उनके क्वेश्चंस को हमें सप्रेस नहीं करना चाहिए. डोंट टेक इट ऑन ए ईगो और रिस्पेक्ट कि अरे मेरे से सवाल कैसे कर लिया, मैं तो तुम्हारी मम्मी हूँ, दैट थिंग.
My daughter is way too smart than me, and she has so many questions, and she can. I remember one thing, okay, I think it's when she was 3 year old, okay. So somehow is a kind of a camera friendly bacha. So
अच्छा.
one day the one time she was telling me how to pose. Okay, so I was
ओके.
standing, like, I'll just show you, okay.
हाँ.
So let's just keep this chair here. So I was like this. Mama, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. Can you believe? Like 3 year old telling me how to pose. So that's how things They are like the super bachas. They are not just bachas, they are super bachas.
They are better generation than us, I must say.
And like way too better, but it's very difficult for them because there's a lot of challenge, there's a lot of
Yes.
things to distract them. So yeah, we have to be very careful parent also, I think, for that matter.
Yeah, actually, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सब कुछ एक्सपोजर पे है ना, उनके लिए कुछ भी फाइंड आउट करना एक क्लिक ऑफ बटन की बात है। आज किसी भी बच्चे के लिए किसी भी लेवल ऑफ की इंफॉर्मेशन इज जस्ट अ क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन। हमारे लिए ऐसा नहीं था। हमारे सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पेरेंट्स होते थे, फ्रेंड्स होते थे, कजिन्स होते थे, या कभी किताबें होती थी। फिर धीरे
And
धीरे
like I
इंटरनेट
think
में घुसा।
I think वहां भी नहीं घुसा। सबसे पहले तो we all went to cyber cafe, I'm not wrong. So
राइट।
वो भी साइबर कैफे में जाके ऑर्कुट करना was a thing.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू।
So yeah, but they know each and everything. They know Alexa. My daughter can instruct Alexa, Google, everyone. So yeah.
ट्रू। एक्चुअली दिस इज ऑल्सो वन थिंग ना, बच्चों को डिजिटल चीजों से हटा करके थोड़ा फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में रखना भी जरूरी है। एंड दैट्स व्हेन दीस काइंड ऑफ बुक्स, यू नो, दीस टूल्स एक्चुअली आई से सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट टूल्स, चाहे वो आपकी बुक हो वेट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रैटिट्यूड, थैंक्स गिविंग, वैल्यूइंग दैट लाइफ यू हैव, और वेदर इट इज अबाउट माई बुक विच इज हेल्पिंग देम एक्सप्लोर देयर ओन लाइफ अराउंड देमसेल्व्स। अगर एक्चुअली हमारा एम ये भी है कि बच्चों को स्क्रीन की दुनिया से थोड़ा सा रियल दुनिया में भी लेकर आओ। बट यहाँ पे आपने एक बात बहुत सही बोली योगिता कि whether it is your book or my book, the parents have to be a part of it. They have to sit with the child. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता
Yeah.
कि आपने बुक लाके दे दी और बोले हाँ देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए कितनी अच्छी किताब लाया।
Okay, so actually I sent one book to someone. Okay, see, she said कि उसने book देखी, I mean that lady, and उसके बाद उन्होंने नहीं देखी बेटी ने. But it's not something that अगर आप बार बार खुद नहीं दिखाओगे, parents will not, बच्चा will not
But
see.
they will
अगर
not get
आप
into it.
उन्हें, हाँ, अगर आप खरीद के देना is a different thing. But
Right.
making aware about that real product, उनको बताना कि क्या exactly what they can read here, what they can do there, उनको encourage करना, बार बार push करना is a different thing.
Right. Right. नहीं एक्चुअली ये ट्रू है। मैंने भी जब अपनी बुक बहुत से लोगों को दी थी, तो जब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहा ये वो, तो कुछ पेरेंट्स का ऐसा था कि बहुत सारी चीजें तो बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आएंगी, तो उसको उसने तो एक दो एक्टिविटी की छोड़ दी। तो माय फर्स्ट इंटेंशन वाज लाइक कि ये बुक इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट योर चाइल्ड, इट इज आल्सो अबाउट यू स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद योर चाइल्ड। सो देयर आर
Yeah,
पेजेस जहाँ पे
that's such
बच्चे
an
को,
important thing. Yeah,
इट इज सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। मैंने कहा कि और कुछ नहीं तो कम से कम इस बुक के बहाने देयर विल बी अ गोल्डन चांस वेयर यू कैन हैव सम स्पेशल मोमेंट्स विद योर चाइल्ड।
yeah. So we have Devika recently went to the library. She got 5 books. Those 5 books are sleeping with us daily these days.
That's very sweet. Actually, my son is also a bookworm. He's like every 3-4 months he'll go and end up buying like 16, 17 books he'll buy, and he'll try to finish all of them like in a 2-3 months, and then he'll like, Mama, all my books are done. He has his own personal library. He's got around 100 books he has got. So he's like a
You
book
can.
reader.
That's amazing.
That's good that at least we are imbibing in them this habit of reading, whatever, maybe 1 page, 2 page a day, it is helping them. I
Yeah.
so much wish that every child and mother or father along can have this activity of reading at least 1 to 2 pages every day.
Yeah, it's very important.
It's very important, but I think
We,
Yogita, you,
we recently got this library wala partnership, I mean membership. It's there in our
okay,
society only. And I think I was really very excited ki what books we are going to pick now.
I'm sure. Children are very excited. Those who have a habit of reading, they love books. Even I love reading books. My family, like everybody, is a lover of books. But yes, I like, through our books, even we want to encourage this one fact to the parents is that please encourage, children to be spending some time with the books, not just the school books, but these kind of books where they can, explore themselves, learn one good habit, have one good value nurtured into them, which is very important.
Hmm. And we are with a very good intention. I hope the books will reach the right audience.
Truly, truly, it will. It will.
So I think so. Yeah, a lot of people again came and then they went because it's something very niche specific
Yeah.
conversation that we are doing.
Right. True. True.
So
We can
your book
maybe
is on
connect
Amazon,
again.
right?
Sorry,
The book is on Amazon, right?
it is on Amazon, but I'll send you. Don't worry.
No
we
problem.
we should be exchanging our thoughts with each other, and I
Yeah.
need to see your writing and what exactly have you put out into the book. You should go through it because we will be very good kind of feedback givers to each other because we
Yeah, yeah,
somehow have the same thought pattern with the same kind of belief system.
yeah. And I think it's a good to make a good network here.
True that. True.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. If we do not have any more questions, then maybe we can wrap this up. Anybody has a question,
Yeah.
we'll be happy to answer.
I think so. We can wrap it up only.
Radhya says it is a very good conversation. Thank you so much, Radhya.
Some people. Okay, I can't see much people here though. I think then we can leave also,
Okay,
and we can post this live maybe.
yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then let's connect later.
Surely we'll
Yeah.
connect again. We can have a good discussion on any topic we wish to talk about, especially related to the series of books that you are planning up. I am planning up.
Yeah. And let's have an offline call now.
Okay. Chalo, you take care. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody who joined.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye
Bye.
bye.